Hi, Steve Good here with the Scrollsaw Workshop. This is just going to be a quick video to show you what you get when you purchase the Scrollsaw Workshop offline catalog. You can purchase it on a USB drive as an instant download or from a DVD. They have different shipping locations, like for instance, the USB drive only ships to the US. The DVD ships to about 60 countries. And of course, the instant download can be downloaded from anywhere in the world. I have different distributors that distribute the different files, and that's why it works that way. So once you get the file and you get it installed on your computer, you will have a directory called CAT, C-A-T. Let me change the view option here to, let's do list, and now let's do details. Makes it a little easier to see. So once you open this directory, you'll find that there are literally thousands of files that have been copied to your hard drive. The way this works is each pattern has two files associated with it. If you see right here, we got this pattern called One Dad, and it's this little thumbnail over here is what it is, number one dad. So the first file, One Dad, .jpg, is the actual image of that file. So if we click on that image, it will open it up and show us what that pattern looks like. The very next file is the PDF, which is the pattern. When you click that, it'll open up and it will show you the actual pattern that you can print out and cut. To make this a little bit easier, because there's so many files on here, the very first file in the list is the thumbnail of all of the patterns. So when you open this file up, you'll see that it's 406 pages long, and each page has 9 different thumbnails of the patterns on it. So as you scroll through these patterns, say you find one that you like. For instance, you want to cut this little truck. If you look down underneath it here, the file name of this pattern is 2x4. So we can close this down, we can go back over here to our list, and we can scroll up and down until we find that file, 2x4. When we click on it, it'll open up the pattern for that truck, which you can then print out and cut. So it's really just that simple. Every pattern has two files. It has the image file and the pattern file. The very first file in the list is the thumbnail of every pattern on the disk. So really just that simple to use. And if you're interested in this offline pattern catalog, you can find the details on how to order it on my blog. Details in the description below.